Hi, my awesome friends. I am joining in with my very good friend Deborah Cavassa, Home Living. Love this channel. And when she does her special challenges, she'd like for all of us to join in. Of course, I'm going to do it. April showers, May flowers 22. She does this every year. So if you're not thinking of it, please try to join in. And if you aren't, make sure you watch the playlist and see what everyone did. I'm sure it's going to be fabulous. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Now, let's go and see what Grandma did. Well, here we are. Another little vignette, all put together for April showers, May flowers. And look, a beautiful umbrella or parasol, however you want to say it. Isn't she elegant? An elegant, elegant little bunny. I can't wait to share her with you. Now, she has real cloth clothes, as you can see, a cute little bonnet on her head, finished off perfectly, isn't she? Look at these beautiful, beautiful clothes she's dressed in. I got her and bought her from Annalie. You know, anything that's elegant usually comes from Annalie. Isn't she beautiful? And of course, we have our young man. Doesn't he look elegant too? And I think he came from Annalie too. Why do I say that? Because like I always say, Annalie always finds the most elegant pieces to share. His real beautiful velvet clothes and that really smirky little face he makes, like he's better than everyone else. He dresses so wonderfully. And then we have our little King Frog from Mackenzie Childs. You know I like using him a lot. And of course we have our Mackenzie Childs little herb pots. I love sharing them with you too. Aren't they beautiful? And I have another one over here. I have a pair of them. And of course, this beautiful light I got from Annalie's too. You know, like I say, anything elegant usually comes from Annalie's. And of course, anything else that's beautiful usually is Mackenzie Childs. I even have a little Mackenzie Child, little teacup back here with a little butterfly. And of course, my wonderful King Frog. Let me know what you thought. Oh, I almost forgot. We also have a Mackenzie Child bee up here also. I have a butterfly, but I don't know what I've done with it. Oh well, there's always another video and another post. Well, let me know what you thought about this challenge. It was have an umbrella, and to me a parasol is like an umbrella to help protect you from the sun and rain. Well, let me know which was your favorite. I did put quite a few in this post. Doing a cute little video on April showers. Here we have this cute little bunny with his little parasol. This is just a cute little vignette. Isn't it as cute as can be? What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty cute. We're ready for a rainy day. April showers bring May flowers. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see my flowers blooming. Here we go. Some beautiful flowers. Move things around a little. We put the little bunny with the little umbrella and with the florals. Doesn't he look cute in there? I think he looks super cute. Very nice little vignette with a spring look. Isn't it wonderful? Well, we're going to have to look around and see if we can find a few more umbrellas. Hope you enjoyed this one. He was as cute as could be, wasn't he? Now here's the cute little house that my daughter made for her challenge, Dollar Tree dollhouse. Didn't she do a great job on the challenge? She got 400 views for this one, but she deserved it. She worked hard. And here is another parasol. You know, Grandma, she keeps looking. She'll find some more parasols to share. And this is another cute little DIY project my daughter did. Isn't it the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my, I love it. And seeing the little rabbit popping up out of the lettuce. Is that not cute? Oh my, I just love it. It even lights up. Can you see that? And all the carrots along the bottom of that house. She did such an awesome job with everything she did. And look at the little bunnies eating their carrots. And look at this little sign. Miss Bunny's
home.
Oh, is that home? I gotta get my eyeglasses on. Gosh, gotta move in closer to read. Yeah, my daughter says she didn't know I wore glasses. I've been wearing glasses since I was 40 if it's to do with reading. Should have put them on to make the video. But look at the little carrots in the basket. Isn't it cute? Another little potted plant over there. She did such an awesome job on this, didn't she? Don't forget to go over and check the video out and see how it turned out. Her putting this together. She even made the little walkway, put the little flowers down, and scattered a bunch of beautiful little wildflowers in the grass. Isn't it gorgeous? All the detail work, the little fence. But don't forget, there's my parasol or my umbrella, whatever you want to call it. It's there, shading my little bunnies. Well, don't forget, go over and check out Blossom Your Creativity and see how it's blossoming over there. And here is another beautiful parasol to enjoy for April. Is it not beautiful? It's just gorgeous. I love it. Look at how beautifully it's finished off. Gorgeous flowers, is it not? And then the beautiful green and white. Love the white polka dots. Just a beautiful piece. What do you think? We keep looking, we're bound to find a few more parasols. Or umbrellas.